see yesterday up to the F adjustment I have explained. Now G1 you see. G1 they have given that create a reserve for discount on creditors. Means on the creditors 2% discount we have to find out. So coming to the reserve for discount on creditors, it is a income for the business. Means it is a profit for the business. That's why it will come in the P&L account credit side. So P&L account credit side I have written it as buy reserve for discount on creditors. Coming to the creditors amount is 20,000 into 2 by 100 I have done. So amount is coming as 400. So one effect we are showing here, and one more time what we are doing, creditors is there, no? Under creditors 20,000 minus discount 400, and outer column showing it as 19,600. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay, ma. Now last adjustment you see, write off depreciation at 5% on buildings, 10% on machinery, and 20% on furniture. So depreciation, coming to depreciation will come in the P&L account debit side. So P&L account debit side, I'm writing it as to depreciation on buildings, to depreciation on machinery, to depreciation on furniture. Coming to the value of the buildings, what is the value of the buildings? Land and buildings value is 40,000. 40,000 into 5%, when you will do, the amount will be 2,000, I think so, right?
Yes, ma'am. 2,000.
The next one, coming to the machinery amount is 80,000. 80,000 into 10%. If you will do, the amount will be 8,000. The next, coming to the next one is furniture. Coming to furniture amount is 5,000. On that 20% we should take out. I think so 20% when you will take out, the amount will be 1,000, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma. Now one effect I have shown here, and one more effect what we should do. From the concerned asset we have to subtract. So from the land and buildings, I'm writing it as minus depreciation, and amount is 2,000. And out yes, guys. Coming to depreciation, under the plant asset we have to subtract. So from the land, 80,000 minus 8,000 is 72,000. Again for the furniture also depreciation is there, so minus depreciation is 1,000. So outer column the amount will be 4,000. Any doubt? Any doubt, girls?
No, ma'am.
I'm audible to everyone? I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Yesterday only I completed the problem. Just only 2 adjustments were left. That 2 adjustments I have covered today. Right?
Yes.
And here ma, see,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not having the calculator, and calculator, if I'll do the calculations, it will take so much time. So I think so whatever problem I shown, when you will do this, means when you will do the totaling, it will get tally. So what I'll do now, anyhow I have completed the problem, no? So this pics I'll send in the group. Okay,
Ma'am,
you note
actually,
down in the
this liability
notes.
side is not getting tallied. Yesterday we did gross profit and net profit came, and asset side came, but this liability side 4,000 more is coming.
Yeah, ma. What I am saying, see, actually, as I said, that this is a difficult problem. So what I did first, I have solved and see it got tallied. Got it? That's why I'm telling you to that do the total now. Okay, if it not comes tomorrow, I'll show. Got it? Now I'm proceeding for the next problem. Coming to the next problem. Next problem is the 25th one. Once you see the 25th one, till that time I'll draw the format. 25th one. Once you go through the question, Now coming to the 25th one, they have given the trial balance and they are asking us to prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year and a balance sheet.
Ma'am, your voice is
So
too low.
my voice is coming too low. Now,
Ma'am.
now
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
audible.
Yeah, now it's
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
audible.
coming to the adjustments. Now coming to the adjustments, ma. First one is stock in hand. It is nothing but the closing stock. Second one is depreciation on motor vehicle. Put right mark to motor vehicle. Put right mark to motor vehicle. The next they have given that creditors include a claim for damages and which was settled by paying. So put right mark to creditors. And suppose if the cash is there to the cash also you put the right mark. The next is unpaid wages. Put right mark to wages. Next is rates paid in advance. Put right mark to rates. Provision for bad debts they have given. Put right mark to provision for bad debts. If they have given otherwise, put right mark to debtors. The next is item of repairs to premises included 20,000 for the acquisition of capital assets. So put right mark to repairs to premises. The next is stock of stationery. This I will show the effect. Okay. Now coming to the problem. As you can see, first trading account, as I said, whenever we are preparing, first debit side we have to write to opening stock. After writing opening stock, we have to write two purchases. Under that, minus purchase return. Coming to the credit side, we have to write buy sales minus sales return. Right? So coming to this trial balance, first they have given the capital. So coming to the capital is a liability. So first what I'm doing under liability, I'm writing the capital. From the capital, we have to do the some deductions. That's why what I'm doing, I'm writing the amount in the inner column. Right? I'm audible or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Now you're audible.
Ah, okay, ma. Now you see next they have given the drawings of stock for personal use.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
nothing but the drawings. So what we should do from the capital, we have to subtract the drawings, no? That's why
Minus
what I'm
point.
doing here, I'm writing as drawings. Drawings of stock they have given. So I've taken it as 1000. The next they have given balance at bank. Balance at bank is nothing but it is an asset. So asset side I'm writing as balance at bank. Coming to the amount is 1,60,000. The next is motor vehicles. Coming to the motor vehicles, this is also asset. So asset
Yes.
side I'm writing it as motor vehicles. Coming to the amount is 1,48,000. The next is datas. Coming to the datas also asset. Asset side I'm writing datas. Datas amount is 2,96,000. The next they have given the creditors. Coming to the creditors are liability. So liability I'm writing the creditors. Coming to the creditors amount is 2,32,000. For this adjustment is there. That's why I'm writing the amount in the inner column. The next they have given printing and stationery. Coming to the printing and stationery, it will come in the P&L account debit side. So P&L account debit side, I'm writing it as to printing and stationery. To printing and stationery. Coming to the amount is 6,600. The next is purchases and sales. Coming to the purchase, already we have written the purchases. Whatever debit side amount is there, it is the amount of purchases. So amount is 24 lakhs. And coming to the sales value is 31 lakhs 60,000. The next you see opening stock. Already opening stock I have written. Coming to the amount is 2,40,000. The next is provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts. P&L account credit side I am taking. By provision for doubtful debts. Coming to the amount is 5,000. The next they have given the bad debts. Coming to the bad debts will come in the P&L account debit side. Coming to the bad debts, for the bad debts, any adjustment is not there. Directly, I'm writing the amount outer column. Next is freehold premises. Coming to the freehold premises, this is an asset. So asset side, I'm writing it as freehold premises. Coming to the freehold premises, the amount is 8 lakhs. For this also adjustment is there. That's why I'm writing the amount in the inner column. The next is repairs to premises. Repairs to premises is a expense. That's why it will come in the P&L account debit side. Coming to the amount is 8 lakhs. For this also adjustment is there. That's why I'm writing the amount in the inner column. What is the repairs to premises amount?
2 lakh.
What is the amount? Yes, girls.
20,000.
20,000 is there? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
47,600.
100.
Then nobody is answering wantedly. I've written here 8 lakhs and nobody is telling anything here. Means that much attentive you are in the class, no? What, girls? Coming to the amount is 47,600. Next, they have given the general reserve. Where the general reserve will come? General reserve.
P&L credit side.
No. Coming to a general reserve is a liability.
P&L
liability
account.
not P&L account. It is a liability. Liability side, we have to write general reserve. Coming to general reserve amount is 2 lakhs. Forgot the format. The next one is proprietor's remuneration. This is an expense, so we have to write in the P&L account debit side. Proprietor's remuneration. Coming to the proprietor's remuneration, the amount is 20,000. The next, they have given the wages and salaries. Yesterday I said no, wages and salaries where we have to take?
Trading account debit side.
Trading account debit side. To wages and salaries. For this, any adjustment is not there. Directly, I'm taking the amount outer column. 2,29,000.
Adjustment is there.
There?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. 2,29,000. The next is delivery charges. Coming to delivery charges, this is an expense. It will come in the P&L account debit side. To delivery expenses. Coming to the amount is 99,000. The next is administrative expenses. This also will come in the P&L account debit side. Coming to the administrative expenses, the amount is 1,31,400. The next is rates and taxes. This is also will come in the P&L account debit side. For rates and taxes also adjustment is there. No, we should write the amount in the inner column. Amount is 15,000. The next is drawings. Coming to drawings, what we should do already drawings is the stock. This is the amount of stock. Again, they have given drawings. This is the amount of cash. So what I am doing again here, I'm writing there plus drawings is in the cash. So coming to the amount is 1 lakh. Now 1,000 plus 1 lakh will be 1 lakh 1,000. Any doubt? Here any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Can you
See?
repeat once?
See here, drawings of stock they have given, and again they have given drawings. So drawings of stock and drawings also is one and the same. So what I am doing here, these two amounts I am adding, and I will subtract from the capital. Next, you see, they have given that last year's profit and loss account balance. This is the last year amount, and they have given it as a credit side. Credit side means it is a profit. So what we should do, to the capital we have to add plus last year profit. Coming to last year profit, the amount is 1,24,000. If you will add, the amount will be 11,24,000. Any doubt? Any doubt, ma?
No, ma'am.
No. Now see, I am going to the adjustments. Coming to adjustment, first adjustment they have given it as stock in hand. Coming to
No,
stock in
ma'am.
hand, at the last end of the year, it is nothing but the closing stock. So coming to the closing stock, it will come in the trading account credit side. So buy closing stock. Amount is 2,80,000. One time we should take here, and one more time it will come under the asset side. Closing stock 2,80,000. Right? The next they have given that depreciation on motor vehicles. Already they calculated and they given. So directly we should take the amount. To depreciation on motor vehicles amount is 74,000. One effect here and one more effect. What we should do from the motor vehicles, we have to subtract the depreciation 74,000. Okay. The next you see, creditors include a claim for damages of rupees 20,000, which was settled by paying rupees 15,500. Actually, to the creditors, they have to pay the damage of rupees 20,000, right? Include a claim for damages. Creditors have included a claim of damages. So what we should do from the creditors, we should subtract this damage amount. Coming to the amount is 20,000. If I'll subtract 20,000, this will be 2,12,000. And what they have given and which was settled by paying 15,500. So actually the claim of the damage is 20,000, but they have only 15,000 pay. Whatever the cash will be there, out of that they will pay. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Cash will be there, out of that they will pay. But the problem, they have did not give the cash amount. They have given the bank balance, right? From the bank balance. So 1,76,000 is there. No, from that what we should do? Let's subtract the claim. How much they have paid? 15,100. If we will subtract, the amount will be 1,60,900. Okay. And one more thing here, as you can see here, total claim is 20,000, but they paid how much? 15,100, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Total
ma'am.
amount they have paid. Total amount they did not paid, no? Total amount they did not paid, no? 1,000 minus 15,100 when we'll what is the amount? 20,000 minus 15,100.
4,900.
At 4,900, we should assume it as they got the discount.
Discount.
We should as they got the discount. Who got the discount here? The businessman is getting the.
Ma'am, your voice is becoming low.
See, actually, the creditors claim is 20,000, but for 20,000 they are paying only 15,100. So here 4,900 we are getting profit. That is nothing but we should assume it as a discount. Here business people they are getting the discount. So when they are getting the discount, it is a income, like it is a profit for the business. That's why we have to show in the P&L account credit side. We should write as by discount on creditors 20,000 minus 15,100. If we'll subtract, the amount is 4,900. Is it clear? What I did, whatever the claim they have included in the creditors that I have subtracted, and they have claimed they have paid the claim of 15,100. That's why their bank balance will decrease. And when they are paying, they are getting the discount of 4,900. This I am showing in the P&L account debit side, credit side, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Unpaid wages they have given. Unpaid is nothing but outstanding. So what I am doing under wages, I am writing it as plus outstanding. How much is there outstanding? 1,600. If you will add 1,600, the amount will be 2,30,600, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one effect here and one more effect where we have to show liability side. Outstanding wages amount is 1,600. For each adjustment, twice we have to show the effect. So one effect I have shown in the trading account and one more effect I am showing in the trading account. The next you see rents paid in advance. Paid in advance is nothing but we have to subtract less paid in advance. Coming to paid in advance, the amount is 3,000. If we will subtract, the amount is 12,000. One effect here and one more effect where we have to show. Where we have to
Asset
show
side.
paid in advance. Asset. In advance. Coming to the amount is 3,000. Okay. The next they have given that provision for bad debts is to be reduced to rupees 3,500. That is nothing but we should assume that it is a new provision for bad debts. Old already is there of 5,000. This is the new one. New one I am taking under the debit side of profit and loss account. So I am writing it as here two provision for bad debts. Amount is 3,500. One effect I am showing here, and one more effect under data I am writing it as provision for bad debts 3,500. See here they have given that provision for bad debts is to be reduced to rupees 3,500. It means that in the previous year the provision for bad debts it was 5,000. Now it has been decreased to 3,500. Previous 5,000, now present is 3,500. That's why what I have done, debit side of profit and loss account I have taken it as to provision for bad debts 3,500, and old one I have taken under the P&L account credit side. And what is the new one is there that I am subtracting from the data, right?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? The next you see, the item of repairs to premises included 20,000 for the acquisition of the capital assets. Means in the repairs of premises, they have included the amount of the capital assets. Acquisition means? Acquisition means?
Ma'am, your voice is becoming
What is the
low.
meaning of the? What is the meaning of the acquisition?
Acquiring own.
Acquiring means that only. What is the
Owning.
meaning of that? So it is nothing but they are purchasing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we should do from this, we have to subtract acquisition of capital assets. Coming to the amount is 20,000. Outer column we have to show the amount as 27,600. And when they have purchased, the value of capital assets will increase, no? Yes or no? So for acquiring the
Yes.
premises only they have spent the amount, no? So what I am doing here, plus acquisition, coming to the amount is 20,000. In outer column we have to show it as 8,20,000. Right? The next you see, stock of stationery in hand on 31/12/2013 is 2,200. Actually, when they have purchased stationery, the amount was 6,600. But the end of the year, the stock is 2,200. So what we should do? We should subtract from this. That is nothing but closing stationery also we can write, or end stationery also we can write. So coming to the amount is 2,200. If we subtract, the amount will be 4,400. Okay, one effect here, and one more time we should write as it is nothing but it is a liability. Sorry, it is an asset. Stationery we should write as stationery. End of the year the amount is 2,200. Right? Any doubt, girls? Again I am repeating, coming to adjustments, I don't think so that in the posting you have any problem. Again I am repeating about the adjustments. Coming to adjustments, as you can see, first one is the closing stock. So twice we have shown the effect. One time we have shown trading account credit side by closing stock, and one more time we have shown under the asset side as closing stock. The next they have given that depreciation on motor vehicle, it will come in the P&L account debit side, and one more time we have subtracted from the motor vehicle. The next one is creditors include a claim for damages rupees 20,000 and which was settled by paying 15,100. So creditors have included the amount of 20,000. That's why from the creditors I have subtracted, and they have settled this. That's why there whatever the cash balance and bank balance will be there, it will become less. That's why from the bank balance I have subtracted. But when they are paying, they are getting the discount. So when they are getting the discount, it is a profit for the business. That's why I have written. The next is unpaid wages. Unpaid wages is nothing but outstanding wages. Outstanding means to the wages we have to add, and one more time we have to write under the liability side. The next one, rates paid in advance. Rates paid in advance is nothing but this is prepaid. Whenever prepaid will be there, from the concerned asset we have, from the concerned expense we have to subtract, and one more time we have to write under the asset side of the balance sheet. The next one is provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts, it is a new provision. So new provision means we have to write under the P&L account debit side, and one more time we have to subtract from the datas. The next is the item of repairs to premises included 20,000 for the acquisition of capital assets. Repairs have been included the amount of the capital assets. That's why what we have done, from the repairs to premises, we have subtracted this amount, and to the freehold premises, we have added this amount. Next is stock of stationery. Means, as you know, whatever the stationery will be there, they may use for the next year also. So when they are using for the next year, more than 1 year when they are using, it is nothing but it is will come under the asset. That's why what we are doing at the end of the year, whatever the value will be there, that we are subtracting from the stationery, and one more time we are showing the effect under the asset side of balance sheet. Right? Any doubt? What, girls?
No, ma'am.
No? Is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it clear for everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
For everyone, is it clear, ma? So I am not doing the total. I'll send the pics of
Your voice
this.
is not
You
coming.
do.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is too low.
See, right now I'm not doing the total of this. What you should do means I'll send the pics. You do the balancing. I think so. Everyone knows that how to do the balancing and how to find out the gross profit and the net profit and the balance sheet total, right?
Okay, ma'am.
What, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll send the pic. You should do. If not coming,
Yes,
you can ask me. Now next problem, 26th one. 26th one I'll explain, you do, ma. It will be better. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just what you do for the 26th one, to do the
Ma'am, you're
posting.
not audible.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is too low.
Okay, ma. For the problem, you do the posting. Adjustments effect I will show to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Because how the previous problems were easier, but these problems are not that much. Sir, you need the explanation, so that explanation I will do to you. Okay. So once
Okay, ma'am.
let me attendance, ma. First, let me check the attendance once. See, when I have started the class, I have seen that nearly 22 girls were there. Again, I don't know why 2-3 girls were skipped. I think so. From generals, Aisha Siddika is from computers or general? Aisha Siddika. Generals? Okay, ma. Aisha
Ma'am, I am
Siddika
also
one.
from generals.
Yeah, I'm seeing, ma. I'm seeing the names, ma. I'm seeing the names. Aisha Siddika, Faria Taskin, Fatima, Maria Khudsia, Shirin Malkan, right? These girls only there, no, from generals?
Yes, ma'am.
और कोई है?
Don't know. Ma'am, Nafis Unisa.
Ah, Nafis Unisa. Yes, Nafis Unisa. So Shirin Malkan, Nafis Unisa. 2. Maria. 3. Fatima 4. Faria Taskin 5. Aisha Siddika 6. So 6 girls have attended the class from generals. And from computers, Yasmin, Aisha Kalim, Sidra, Aisha Halima, Habiba. Habiba? Habiba, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You are from generals or computers?
General, ma'am.
Then you did not answer when I asked.
No, ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Now it's coming, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Amina, Nabila, Sumaya Mariam, Sayyida Aymana Mahin, Hafsa Zaur, Lubna, Aisha Halima, Sidra, Aisha Kalim, Yasmin. Okay. I have noted down the names. Already Principal Ma'am, she clearly said you that whatever attendance is there, we are going to send to the OU people, right? After that also, you people are not attending, means it's your loss only. Why today morning class is it? That's why many girls are absent. What
Ma'am,
girls?
show your computer. From computer.
Which one? Who is from computer? Juveria, I know, ma. Juveria Rahin is from computers, I know.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
You have completed Juveria, all your notes? What Juveria?
Not.
I think so. Your mother has taken the Xerox, no, of the notes?
Yes, ma'am. I take it.
You have taken, but what about the preparation? How you are doing the preparation?
Ma'am,
You have started revision? You have started revision or not?
Yes, ma'am. I started
How many chapters you have completed revision?
almost 3 chapters. Ma'am.
Almost 3 chapters. The 3 chapters already you have learned in the inter first year also, remaining only difficult. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bank recollection.
Bank reconciliation statement. Then what you are planning? How you will learn, ma? How you will practice at BRS?
And
Hmm? You're taking any tuition or what you're doing, and you are taking any help from any elder sister or brother?
I'm taking
What you're
tuition
planning?
for
What it?
I'm
Huh?
I'm taking
Your voice is
tuition for
tuition. Okay, no problem, ma. No problem.
okay, ma'am.
Bye, Tehniyat, Namira, सादिया जैनब कहाँ है ये लोग पूरे व्हाट आमिना वेयर इज योर फ्रेंड
Ma'am,
sleeping
Sadia, she's ill. She's
huh
ill. She's ill, ma'am.
what happened madam now at home only no at home only no now what happened now she very good and now she wants to join see after completing the class only 3 minutes left now she's admitting the class namira क्या लुबना कहाँ है आपके फ्रेंड्स है लुबना सो गए फोन रख के
Ma'am,
आर यू
I'm
देयर
here
लुबना
only.
यू आर
Yes,
हियर
ma'am.
ओनली हाँ कहाँ हुआ
Yes,
क्या हुआ आपके फ्रेंड्स कहाँ
actually,
है तैनियत
na-
कहाँ है
yes, ma'am. Namira is saying she can't able to
क्यों क्या हुआ
access the Zoom.
why what is a problem
Don't know, ma'am. I said once again try it.
I don't think so that any difficulty is there in the joining now. Right? Yes or no? Okay, ma'am. Let it be whatever it may be. Those who are not attending the class, for them only, it is a loss. Already I said you that your internal exams will be there in the April first week. Already from the OU we got the notice, but what will happen we don't know. And one more thing, I said you that 5 marks I'm going to give for the notes. So whatever the problems are there, everything you should keep complete. I'm going to check the notes. Got it? Online also I
Ma'am,
can
for
check.
ma'am, for internal, we should learn from backside of textbook.
Yeah, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Backside they have given no that choose the
Yes, ma'am.
correct answer, fill in the blanks and the one word answers.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think so you know the paper pattern also. Internal question paper.
No, ma'am.
Don't know?
MCQs, fill in the
Yes,
blanks,
ma'am.
and 1 mark answers.
Yeah. 10 MCQs will be there, 10 fill the blanks will be there, and 5 one word answer will be there.
Yes.
MCQs carry half mark, and even the fill the blanks also carry the half marks. One word answers is 1 mark. 15 marks paper will be there.
Yes.
Right?
Ma'am, in this FA 17
Yes,
problem, 15 problem,
17.
19 problem is left.
Okay, 1 minute, ma. Which one? 17th,
19th and
Tell.
15th.
19th and 15th. This
Yes.
3 is not getting tally, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Not getting tally means what you are not getting, gross profit you are not getting, net profit you are not getting. What is the problem?
In 15th one, we are not getting the balance sheet and net profit. In 19th one, balance sheet 200 difference is coming. And
1 minute. 1 minute, Amina, 1 minute. In 15th one, you
okay.
said that net profit is not coming, balance sheet is not coming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the 17th problem?
And in the 17th problem, you told that in net profit some adjustment is there.
17th. Yeah, ma. What I said, see in the textbook clearly down, they have given the hint, no? In the hint, they have given, no, before takeouting the commission for the manager, what is the gross net profit they have given, no?
But
Yes or
ma'am, that
no?
actual net profit that is there in that book, that only it is not coming. On what amount we have to take out that reserve for funds.
Okay. So net profit is not coming in the 17th one, right?
Yes.
And what about the 19th?
19th balance sheet is not coming.
Only balance sheet.
Yes.
Only balance sheet, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Net profit, gross profit, you people got.
Yes.
Okay. So in the balance sheet, where the difference is coming?
Asset side.
Asset side coming more or less?
It's coming more.
How
Less,
much more
sorry,
coming?
less.
How much?
In this investments, we have to add accrued investments also, na?
1 minute. Let me see the question. Then I'll tell. 19th one, we have to add the accrued
In
interest.
investments at 9%.
Yeah, interest to investments they have given, no? 9%.
Yes.
Yes.
So 50 rupees more is coming.
50 rupees more is coming.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Only
actually
50 rupees?
Namira is in waiting room.
Now time over, madam. I can't do anything. I can't enter her in the class. पूरा class होगा तो क्या करते आके बोलो?
Ma'am, she
हो गया
was
class?
trying from the beginning only, ma'am. Actually, she unable to access the Zoom ID.
मेरे को पहले बोला था ना फिर ये बात नहीं बोले फिर जब से
I said na, ma'am.
now you said ma when I asked at time I have given the answer previous you did not said no पूरा class होगा में that time I asked after finishing the syllabus means whatever the problems were there after completing that you said me before you did not said me no
Oh,
right as you know the timings what is the timing of the first period 9 to
9:45.
now how many minutes left for the 9:45 only 3 minutes are there 3 minutes for 3 minutes I should admit.
Okay, ma'am. I'll tell her to join in another class.
Okay, ma. From tomorrow onwards, as per the timetable only, a class will be there. Today, I am having some work. That's why first period I have taken. From tomorrow onwards, as the timetable is there, no, that period only I'll take. Right?
Okay.
Okay, ma. Bye.